In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Webflow using Google Chrome. This simple process will make accessing Webflow faster and more convenient by opening it directly as a standalone application on your computer. Let's walk through this step by step. To get started, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer, as that's the browser we'll be using to create the shortcut. Once Chrome is open, direct yourself to the Webflow website by typing the URL into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in to your Webflow account. This is crucial because creating a shortcut while logged in ensures that when you use the shortcut later, you'll stay logged in, making your workflow smoother. Now that you're logged in and on the Webflow dashboard, it's time to dive into the Chrome settings. Look at the top right corner of your browser window, and there you will find three vertical dots, often referred to as the Chrome menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will present several options, but you should hover your mouse cursor over the More Tools section. Doing this will cause another submenu to pop out. In this new menu, select the Create Shortcut option. This will open a small pop-up window on your screen. At this point, you can customize your shortcut. You'll notice there's a field where you can enter a name for the shortcut. Webflow is a straightforward choice, but feel free to rename it to anything that makes sense to you. Perhaps something indicative of your specific project or workflow. Another important feature in this pop-up is the option labeled Open as Window. By checking this box, your Webflow shortcut will launch in its own window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This will give it an application-like feel, creating a more focused workspace. Once you've named your shortcut and selected Open as Window, all that's left to do is click the Create button. This action will generate the shortcut and place a Webflow icon directly on your desktop. From now on, you can double-click this icon to access Webflow. It will open directly to your dashboard, bypassing the extra steps of opening a browser first and entering the URL. And there you have it. With just a few quick steps, you've created a desktop shortcut for Webflow using Google Chrome, ensuring a more efficient and streamlined access to your design projects. If you found this guide helpful, remember to share it with others who might benefit from this handy shortcut trick. Happy designing!